Here at Caroline Furnace, we blaze new trails to provide purpose and understanding. We're finding new ways to share outdoor ministry with all of God's people. Together, over the past year, we've learned how to experience growth in our faith, to try new things, and how to renew our spiritual senses. This year, we'll be using family groups, virtual platforms, and overnight summer camp again. It's amazing to reflect what we accomplished last year and what the future really looks like this year.
We lived out our mission of faith, education, and renewal by committing to hiring summer staff, 16 of our young adults, to continue their development, even though we didn't have campers here on site. We also had a very successful 6-month fundraising campaign to help us through this pandemic.
We affirm our commitment to continued growth and diversity. We shared a new welcome statement last year and accepted a total inclusion grant from the ELCA to help us expand our diversity initiatives. We continue to reclaim the history of this sacred space. And we celebrate, affirm, and value the diversity present in our communities. We have space for everyone around the campfire. All are welcome here. You are welcome here.
We're connected virtually through Camp at Home, both in the summer and the winter, through different retreats, pre-Advent retreats, Lenten retreat for church leaders, and we're offering hybrid models that include virtual and gathering space for retreat groups and education groups.
We continue to gather safely for family retreats, outdoor worship series, work days, outdoor day use, and small group retreats. Our next large gathering will be May 22nd for a barbecue picnic celebration to celebrate our accomplishments and our adaptations from the past year. We hope to see you there.